Guys, now we are going to see about kmediod. Okay, for kmediod is one of the is one of the clustering algorithm. So it is used to find the similarity between the objects by using the distance measure. Okay, to apply this kmediod algorithm, we have initially 3 steps. The first step is to select the random representative of objects. Okay, and the second step is to find the distance m and n, where m is equal to a comma b and n is equal to c comma d. So how do you find the distance measure? Distance is equal to a minus c plus b minus d. Okay, so after finding the distance measure, then you have to cluster the group and find the total cost. To find the total cost among the x comma c objects, it's given by formula summation of I is equal to 1 to d, where mod of xi minus ci will give the total cost. Let's take one example. So this is a set which is represented by variables x and y and objects from x1 to x10. Okay, so what are the values we have from x1 to x10? 2 to 6, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 7, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 3, 7 comma 4, 8 comma 5 and 7 comma 6. According to the algorithm, the first step is we have to select 2 random representatives. So I am selecting the 2 random representatives, that is x2 and x8. What is x2? x2 is nothing but 3 comma 4. And what is x8? x8 is nothing comma 7 comma 4. So after finding this, what will be my step 2? Obviously my step 2 will to find the distance, that is m and n. Okay, so now how I am going to find the distance measure? Okay, so how I am going to find the distance measure? The step 2 is to find the distance m and n. So I have already taken the representative objects, that is x1 and x2 and x8 are the representative objects. So with that only I am going to find the distance measure distance measure m and n. Okay, where you can see here, except x2 and x8, I am writing all the values x3, x1, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x9 and x10. Okay, and I have to write the x and y objects for it. After writing it, now I have to find the distance. What is my representative objects? My representative objects are x2 and x8. So with that only I have to find the distance measure. So what is x2? x2 is 3 comma 4. What is x8? x8 is nothing but 7 comma 8 and x2 is 3 comma 4. So how will you find the distance? Distance is nothing but similarly in the similar formula, how will you have applied? A minus c plus b minus d. Similarly here you have to do it. 2 minus 3 plus mod of 6 minus 4. So like that you have to substitute. Similarly 2 minus 3 plus mod of 8 minus 4. Similarly you have to do everything and find the values. Okay. Similarly in x8 coordinate, that is distance of 7 comma 4 also, similarly you have to do it. That is 2 minus 7 plus mod of 6 minus 4. Similarly 3 minus 7 plus mod of 8 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 7 plus mod of 7 minus 4. Similarly 6 minus 7 plus mod of 2 minus 4. So now I have find out the distance for 3 comma 4 and 7 comma 4. Okay, so with that, after finding the values, I have find out. From this I have to choose the which has the minimum distance. If you take in the x1 coordinate, which has a minimum value 3 or 7? 3. Okay, so I am choosing now 3. Okay, so here if you take in the next x3 coordinate 4 or 8, which has a minimum value 4. And if you take in the x4, which has the minimum value 6 or 4? 4. I am taking 4. Similarly in x5, 5 or 3? 3. Okay. So similarly in x6, 3 or 1? 1. x7, 5 or 1? 1. Okay. Similarly in x9, 6 or 2? 2. 2 has the minimum value. Similarly in x10, 6 or 1, 6 or 2, 2, 2 has the minimum value. So with the distance of 3 comma 4 and 7 comma 4, I have choose the minimum distance. From that I am going to form the clusters. What are the clusters? 6 comma 8. Okay, I am going to do the step 3. The step 3 is to form the clusters. How will I form the clusters? 2 comma 6, 3 comma 8, then 4 comma 7, then 3 comma 4, then 7 comma 4, then 6 comma 2, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 3 and then 8 comma 5 and 7 comma 6. Now my step 3 is to compute the total cost which has the minimum distance. So which has the minimum distance from this cluster? I have chosen it. What are it? 3. In the first distance 3 comma 4, what is my minimum cost? 3, 4 plus 4. Similarly in this distance, what is my minimum cost? 3, 1, 1, 2, 2. So if you add that, what will I get? I'll get the total cost is equal to 20. So from this is the way you have to compute the kmediod based upon the total cost and find the minimum distance. Okay, thank you.